Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use magnesium oil spray. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Apply the spray directly to areas like your arms, legs, or torso. Begin with about 5 to 10 sprays per application. It's best to avoid very sensitive areas or any broken skin to prevent potential irritation. This simple step helps your body absorb the magnesium effectively. After spraying, let the magnesium oil absorb into your skin for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, which is completely normal. If it's too strong, you can dilute the spray with a little water. For optimal benefits, apply it daily, perhaps after your shower or right before you go to bed. This routine helps maximize absorption. Using magnesium oil spray offers several benefits. Many people find it helps with muscle relaxation, easing tension after a long day or workout. It can also contribute to improved sleep quality and a general sense of calm. To maintain its potency, store your magnesium oil spray in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. While generally safe, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant or have underlying health conditions. If you experience any persistent skin irritation, rash, or discomfort, stop using the spray. Remember to keep the magnesium oil spray safely out of reach of children and pets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.